Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to cover the Orbiter Airdrop. I have big clues that maybe this is the confirmed next airdrop. They confirmed of course a token some time ago, but now I have very important news that we may be ready for the airdrop really soon. Like always in my videos, if this is your first time, I will go into cover step by step everything that you need to do in order to participate in this airdrop and all the news about Orbiter Finance and how you can be one of the eligible users to get this airdrop really soon. And remember that I have my subscriptions to join my Discord, my private Discord, where we share many things about the airdrops, different airdrops, new airdrops, airdrops distribution on how to get all the airdrops that you apply. And to help you to do that, you have my application. My application is a game changing for this airdrop hunter path. You can check these videos on how my app works and apply here if you want to give another step on this airdrop hunter path. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well before we begin I want to say that of course you are thinking I have been using Orbiter Finance as a layer 2 bridge like for a long time already, so I probably will get the airdrop, and I have to say in this video you are going to see a couple of details and things that you may be not doing and you need to do it in order to get this airdrop. So I'm going to explain you exactly what you need to do and how to apply to get this airdrop, and also why I think we are really soon to get this airdrop. So Orbiter Finance, like you know, is a decentralized cross-roll bridge, which is the infrastructure of layer 2. So after Polygon and the layer 2 starting to appear on Ethereum, this project was one of the first to be a bridge between different layer 2. Many of my followers, of course, I know that they use Orbiter maybe daily, so that will give you an advantage of this. But we are going to cover why and what you need to do to apply for the airdrop right now. So first, a couple of news about Orbiter Finance, and this is just for yesterday. They already integrated Zksync Era mainnet, so now you are able to bridge between Zksync Era mainnet and many other layer 2s and networks. And also, this is from the 24th of March. This is very speculative. I don't know if this was for the Zksync area mainnet bridge or this is a hint for maybe the airdrop. Many speculations in the comment section, but we really don't know. But what I want to bring here and why I think the airdrop is really soon is because of this. This message didn't have the attention that needed. And you can see this was the 23rd of March. They put only this emoji and retweet this from Ethereum Daily. And like you can see from Ethereum Daily, it says, it's time to get roles and interact with Orbiter Finance. A thread on airdrop guide. And this is more than a hint or a clue, for me it's a confirmation, guys. They are putting this information on their official Twitter account. A hint, you can see the emoji. And this is a guide to get the airdrop of Orbiter Finance. Of course, many things in the comments are confirming this. So for me, this is already the last confirmation that I needed to be active on Orbiter. In my particular case, I have been using this and many other bridge from a long time already. But you will see that there are a couple of things that you maybe didn't do yet and you need to do it. So in this video, I'm going to cover this Ethereum Daily guide, which is the official one that was on the tweet of Orbiter Finance, so we don't have any doubts on what we need to do. So first of all, and you are going to need it on this, you need to follow them on Twitter, this is the official account, and you need to follow them on Discord. You are going to need the Discord, so enter into both things, follow there, and for every project, guys, if you have doubts, you need to ask in the Discord. You're going to get there more official answers than anything that I can do to help you. So if you have any problems with the application, just ask in the Discord. This is step 1 and 2. Follow Twitter and Discord. The step 3 is you need to go to the app and connect. And then we need to bridge any asset between Ethereum mainnet and any other layer 2 solutions. So once you are here, you click on connect. It's very easy. And from Ethereum, you can see you can select here the different chains, and here you can select the token that you want to send. And here you can select, of course, the source chain. So in this case it will be Ethereum mainnet, and let's say that you want to send something to the network that we are right now. You can see Zksync era already is there. So you send something from here to there, let's say 0.06, you click send, and it's really easy to use. Nothing else than just a bridge application that works perfectly fine for months already. After doing that, make sure to also bridge to Zksync Lite, starknet, and any other layers too. So after you use the Ethereum mainnet into a layer 2, also try to do some transactions from here, for example, from Arbitrum into Optimism, for example, and also try to use, like says the post, Zksync Lite and also Zksync era. I think this is also important. So try to use as many bridge as you can on networks and as many volume and amount of transactions that you can. That will be the important for this. And of course, try to repeat this several times. So you go to Orbiter Finance and you bridge there. It's really easy. Any doubts, you can put it in the comment sections. Now the step 4, and this is something that you maybe didn't do in the past. There's a guild quest for Orbiter Finance. We don't have a crew tree or anything like that, but the guild is very important. So you go there to the link on the description and you can see. You need to complete all these roles and you will see why they are important. The first one is be a member on Discord. So once you are already confirmed in Discord, you can see that you will have this. That means you have access, and in order to get this role, you click here on go to the server. You will be pumped to the Discord of Orbiter Finance, and once this is already loaded, it sends you to this guild entry. So here you need to click on join Orbiter Finance, and this will give you the roles that you already completed in the guild. So like you can see in this account, I have 3 of the 7 roles. The idea is to complete all these roles to be in the best position for the airdrop. So how we do that? First one, be a member. The second one is asking you to put this icon on your username on Twitter. The third one is to be included in this allow list. This is updated every day at 6 UTC. And this is the number of transactions with Orbiter from 10 to 49. So I think at least I will say get this role of pilot from 10 to 49 transactions in order to be eligible for the airdrop. That is my speculation. I think this is the minimum that you need. And then you have another things that you need to complete. The trainee pilot, edit pilot. This is from 50 to 99 transactions on Orbiter, from 100 to 500 and 500 and above. So this is a very crazy amount. Even in my main wallet, I don't think that I have more than 500 transactions on Orbiter. I may try to do that in a couple of wallets, not in all my airdrop wallets, but maybe in a couple. But for sure, I think the amount of transactions is what will be important for this airdrop. Of course, I recommend you to do at least one transaction with a lot of volume. If you can afford to move more than $1,000 in one transaction, you only are going to pay the fees, which is less than $1. So try to do one big transaction with volume, and the rest you can do small transactions just to use the bridge. And of course you are going to pay the gas fees, but you are not going to lose any of the value of the tokens that you are sending from one place to another. So the idea here is try to get all these roles, and that will bring you transactions into Orbiter and also the roles for the Discord. I think, and it's my speculation only based on the hint of the tweet, that they are going to reward according to the roles of this guild application. So after you do that, which is step 4, I would recommend you also to step 5, put the transaction feedback in the Discord. They have it there. I don't know how much important is that, but in general, it's something that many people do this. So put your address here, put some transactions that you are doing, and that will be all. I think these are all the steps that you need to do. There's not crew 3 to complete, and I don't think it's worth it. We already have the hint from the official Orbiter Finance here, the icon, pointing at this tutorial. So that is why I wanted to cover this. Be sure to get the guild roles completed. And Orbiter is not a small project, already 125k followers, and was one of the first bridges on layer 2 solution applications. Many people use it because it was one of the first. So I think a token from this, it could be a couple of hundreds. So guys, use Orbiter for your transactions here, for bridging, and complete this step to be in the position for the Orbiter airdrop really soon. And remember, if you want to give another step here on the airdrop hunter path, go to my webpage cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. Check what you are going to find in my Discord and what you are going to find in my app. Here you have some videos where I explain and show you my application working and the news that appeared in February that I did for the app. And I am working in more updates like automations to send emails to your account with some reminders that things that you need to do in the airdrops. So I am continue building my app besides the YouTube channel and all that. So check the subscriptions. For Arbitrum, I receive tokens in 12 wallets thanks for the use of my app. I would not be able to do it without my app. So managing multiple wallets with my application is much easier than if you try to use an Excel file or keep everything track on any other way. So guys, that will be all for the video. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.